Where is it? All the ways, Pete?
Taking fucking line like crazy.
You probably need to come back here and fight that
I'm
thing.
working my way back.
Wide open, Trevor.
Oh.
Pull that.
Nice.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
It might,
That's a keeper.
it might be too big.
Fuck!
No, that's good.
I know how to manipulate a tape measure. I'm a carpenter. I can make this thing. I can make this 31. He's too big.
You gotta get a good picture of that guy.
No. From the center of the tail?
Tip.
Tip of the...
Oh, he might be good.
He's good. He's 29 and he's not quite stretched out. It's perfect. I think. Oh, really?
That's perfect, huh?
How about that for being perfect?
Hold on.
I don't have my glasses on. I can't see, especially in the shade now.
Two in the boat.
Yeah, we're bleeding too.
Woo!
Sorry. Bloody boat.
Crash the boat.
Bloody boat.
My favorite kind. You get bloody.
No! What are you talking about?
Have you met Pete?
The live well pump's on. It's supposed to be pumping fresh water in, but I don't know if everything is working.